Oh, ciao.
Yan, punta kami ng ano, kakain kami, Hard Rock.
Hard Rock.
Ante, Son. Son.
Si Rom.
Nato kami ngayon sa city.
Anje!
Bili kasi. Wow, may pabulaklak sila, oh. May pabulaklak sila. Ante.
Kasi ka naka-video man.
Ayan, may pabulaklak sila, oh. May pabulaklak.
Compliment.
May pabulaklak.
If we say it's his birthday.
Giveaway ni Jason.
If we say it's his birthday.
Naglalakad kami para matagtag. Para pagdating ng restaurant, kain. Sibugan.
mille.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lorenzo. You're welcome. The bird is in the way. Coming in. Thank you, guys.
Grazie mille, grazie. E questa è la canzone che fa.
Okay, thank you guys.
I feel like coming here every day for a coffee. I don't think a coffee will cost 30 euros. Okay, so allo Starbucks a Milano il caffè costa €1 in UK. Il cappuccino non te lo dico neanche.
Okay, bye bye guys. See you next vlog. Thank you so much. Grazie.
No, ciao.
Oh, thank you so much. See you in the next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you.
And Junard out.
See you on the next vlog.
Junard out. Wow.
Oh, sige, bye.
And Junard out.
Santa Guri ate, Santa Guri o Jason, Santa Guri ate.
Vai di nuovo.
Dai.
Santa Guri ate, Santa Guri ate, Santa Guri o lalab, Santa Guri lalab.
Sophia.
How should he blow it?
Wow.
Only the candles.
Thank you.
Hey.
Mga salamat tayo matanan.
Thank you, thank you.
Parang parents. Can God, thank you.
Thank you, Nak.
Salamat.
Happy birthday, Nak. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Salamat, nanay. Salamat.
Happy birthday.
Salamat.
Happy birthday.
Cheers, recording. What? I did the slow-mo.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Santa.
Happy birthday.
Sila nay. Hindi ko pa naramit mga sulod.
Oh!
No, non sei proprio.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Wow, we didn't expect it.
No, I didn't expect it. Be scripted, di ba?
Papa.
No, solo mio. Solo mio. Bye, auntie. Ayan.
Didi, ikaw kayo kita
Dami
nag-regalo.
nga.
From Ninang. Ayan. Yung kay mama, ayan ang cake. Ang kay Gigi, dubit Gigi. Ito regalo.
La torta è il regalo.
No problem. It's no problem. Wow!
Wow.
Wow,
I told you.
wow. Wow, ganda.
Grabe, Ninang.
May naman yung short na sugad eh.
Aray pa.
May danim, may daw kung may kinikita. Excited daw.
Grabe, ang ganda eh.
Oy.
Yan, ang ano ng logo ng
Timberland.
Timberland.
Grabe, ba't dalawa? Sarap.
Thank you.
Salamat,
Ayan.
Oo, Ninang. Nako. Sobra. Timberland idol ko pa naman nga ba.
Ibig sabihin, di mo pala idol ang hard rock?
Hard rock na. Hard rock
Yeah, ikuan Jason. Hawa pag
Salamat po. Salamat sa sponsor.
Welcome, anak. Welcome.
Wait, let me take pictures in both. Okay.
Welcome.
What, for, what, myself or with? Like both, like, solo and with the t-shirt. Solo with the t-shirt, very nice. Solo. Alright, one. And this hard work and Timberland.
Wow, ganda naman.
Para makita yung mga logo ng hard.
Hello, thank you so much sa isang viewers ko dyan, sa 1 million viewers. Mega shoutout to everyone of you there. Hello guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
It said that last shot was blurry.
Jay, can you take me a photo of this one?
No, it's not.
Jay,
Yeah.
this one is the because I already have a photo with the address down. This one.
Wow.
Jay, here. This, it's maybe here. Okay, that's better.
It's not gonna be full body, I tell you.
Ultra wide. Dilan, tara picture kita nito ah. Sa atin ako.
In the phone Avante, it's needed the ultra wide.
Hello.
Ooh. Alright.
Ayan po. Ayan.
Last one.
Ayan.
Wait.
Thank you so much to all of you.
Tara.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang babarat ninyo. Thank you. Ayan po.
Tu non mi hai dato niente. Tu, aspetta. Tu non mi hai dato niente, no?
Wow, che anche tu, anche te ce l'ho.
Taglia 10 volte più grande la sua proprio.
Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. God bless all.